Good YouTube, back with another video. About to go get my Starlights done. That's like the headliner thing, if you didn't know. And also, my friend is building a fast-ass BMW. About to see what's up with that. About to take me to riding his already fast-built BMW, so yeah. Let's get into the video.
We're gonna go on this one back road where we go to Mexico. Warm up the tire this year. Holy shit! Do a 40 roll.
When I tell you my stomach dropped like a roller coaster. Mexico, guys, by the way.
That was 160.
I meant to say 160 kph. Wait, that's still like fast.
It's kind of sketchy because there's no sway bar. That's why it's all over the road.
Yeah.
So you just kind of like just have to drive the fuck out of it.
That's how older Mustangs are. That's where like the stereotype of like bad Mustang drivers came from.
I'll try to do a dig. We're just gonna blow the tires off, but
tires be expensive for this car.
They're not too bad.
Wait, this is a manual?
It's an auto.
Oh. That sounds so good.
It just has countless downpipes, and the rest is in a muffler delete. It still has a secondary cast and then like the resonator in the back. What's crazy is it only has a downpipe intake, a bigger low pressure fuel pump to run E85 in it, and it's on an E40 tune, which is 93 mixed with the 85.
Oh yeah, that's something I want to do with my Mustang E85. It feels so different being a passenger than driving.
Yeah.
Like even in my own car, when I let my girlfriend drive, it feels so much faster.
That's how it is in like my wife's X3. I wish I had that. That thing is... It's a different experience being in a bigger SUV with it moving like this car.
Yeah.
Like this car and the SUV is like about the same exact like speed. It's weird.
I've been in a Trackhawk before, but they didn't really push it.
I think the X3 would beat a Trackhawk. Yeah. We did beat a Hellcat jailbreak from a dig.
Yeah, that's insane. Problem with those are they don't get much traction. Like
no,
unless it's like a prep track.
He did like a crazy burnout, so it kind of like hooked.
Oh yeah.
And then we raced him from a roll, but back then whenever we raced him, we only had like a JB4 piggyback. It wasn't an actual roll tune, and then it was on E30. It was probably like lower 400 wheel horsepower, but it would probably be a good race now with it making around 500.
Yeah.
Of course it's going to beat the X3. It's 2,000 pounds difference.
Yeah, that's what people don't be understanding about Mopar. They weigh so much.
Yeah, it's for more airflow going into the turbo to make more power.
That makes sense.
That's just like right there.
What's all getting done to this? Just turbo, like?
It's pretty much just 6.7, 6.6 top mount single turbo, and then just bolt-ons, and that's pretty much it. Stock motor. Should make like goals 500 to 600 wheel on DI only on E40 custom tune.
So what's that crank?
Yeah, it's like high 500, 600, probably more.
This deadass might be like the fastest car in the area. Like I'm not even joking. I don't know many cars.
It's going to be the fastest car that actually goes out and races. There's a lot of fast cars in the area that don't come out.
Yeah, like garage kept or whatever,
yeah.
or just track.
Or they bring them out, but they don't really race it unless they take it to the track. But like street-wise, like it's definitely going to be like one of the quickest in the area.
Wait, these have skinnies? I just realized that.
Yeah, so these skinnies are for this white car, and then this white car is on a 305 rear tire.
Makes sense, makes sense.
Yeah.
So is this strictly for like drag racing?
Skinnies usually are, yeah. Problem is they don't fit. I gotta get a smaller tire, and their own back order. Whichever car is running is the daily. Doesn't matter if it makes 600, 700 horsepower, 800 horsepower, it's the daily.
That's valid.
But the goal is to make like 600-ish with this car. It's an N55 engine. 600 should be somewhat reliable. And the goal for this car is like 700, 800 wheel.
That's what I'd be saying. Like, eventually it gets to a point where like you can't like have fun with it. There's always something wrong with it.
Pretty much.
Like I feel like that's.
These cars are somewhat reliable.
Yeah, I know old BMWs used to be so like unreliable.
Yeah, the new ones like the S58s, the B58s, like they're pretty reliable. They still have their issues, but honestly, any car making more power than stock is gonna have an issue.
Yeah.
Downpipe and an intake, and then a tune. Like it's nothing crazy.
Damn. So these make power easy.
Yeah, like literally, like it still has the stock inlet pipes, outlet pipes. Literally like an ESS.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
ESS, well, even though 93 can probably make 600-700 wheel.
Yeah, that's insane.
Definitely gonna need a drag tire on it.
I see people put in like wells on stock cars. I mean, I don't like hate. Like that's one thing I don't like about the car community. Just like
like
they just like judge everyone.
literally, just do whatever you want to do. Like,
Let me know what you guys think. I should get that done. Yeah, that would look so good, bro. Oh, they're on. But yeah, this is how the stars look, guys. So these ones twinkle too, right?
Yeah, I think yours shut off.
Probably.
Let me connect to it.
It might be on the phone. I saw a twinkle thing.
Yeah, I connected to it now.
Yeah, that's sick. So this truck has 800 piece. Oh yeah, this looks good. Oh yeah, I see them.
It also has that as well.
You can do stars and with sunroofs?
Yeah, so he didn't get them, but I can do pretty much when I drop the headliner, I can drop the whole sunroof track to take the visor out. But he opted for the ambient lighting kit for the sunroof.
Makes sense. That does look really good. What is that like? What's the ambient lighting connected to?
It's a different app. It actually runs down this, and then the module's behind this pillar, so it's easy to get to if there's any issues.
If you guys want Starlights or what else do you do?
Starlights, rock lights, wheel lights, BMW performance tuning, and then I can do full vehicle builds. Like I sell wheels, tires, lift kits, lowering springs, coilovers.
He pretty much does it all.
Pretty much everything.
But hit up 814 Customs on Instagram. You have TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok.
Instagram, TikTok,
Facebook, and then all my personal is just Cole Wyatt.
That's the next day. Currently in my Mustang. We're just gonna take a little drive. I had to stop at Rudders to get a Red Bull because at 4 a.m. we gotta drive all the way to Boston. We got a rental car for that because I'm not driving this thing all the way to Boston. But yeah, now we're just gonna go on a little drive.
Blue. This is like red. Let's do pink. Hold on. Let's do teal. This is a pretty color.
This is what it looks like, guys, from outside the car. You obviously can't see it like standing up because the car it's stock height, but most people are taller than it, so they can't see unless they look down. But yeah, it looks really good. That's gonna wrap up the video, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Peace.